Let's go, boys. Get your game face on. I'm going to talk in this video for those who want to be a day trader for a living, who want to get in the stock market for a living, options trading, honestly, business, entrepreneurship. It's kind of motivation, but this is my stock market philosophy video for you guys. I just finished the last video talking about kind of what's going on, the yield curve inversion, so make sure you guys have followed up on everything this week. Drop a thumbs up. It helps out the channel. It makes sure you see this content. Let me know. Do you guys like this philosophy? You guys showed me some love last time, but the market's been so crazy. I've been getting that out for you. So let's do that. I'm going to head to Costco, so I'm going to do the rest of this in the car. So let's go. Wait. Check it.
It's like, it's that new way. Throw that dumb shit away. Get your funds up today. Put that blunt down today. Put on your mobile Vic. Stick them goals on the page.
The support go away. It's a code and we great. Woo! Alright, y'all, so let's get to it, man. I need y'all to put on your game face. And that statement implies something. If you need to put on your game face, that means it's not already on. And the problem is, I'm seeing people put on the wrong things. And that's where it leads to the topic I'm going to talk about with this. Keeping it real is going to keep you broke. Because this is a big problem I've seen, especially with the new generation, with social media. You know, people always trying to live up to other people's, you know, all sorts of things. But people are putting on the wrong things. A lot of times people are putting on their past. They're putting on their situation. And guess what? Keeping it real, I'm not saying sometimes people keep it real. Are they keeping it real and is it true? Sure. But it's going to keep you broke. That's the thing. A lot of people now, let's even stock trading. I say, yeah, you know, you could trade stocks. A lot of people are putting on doubt. They're putting on negativity. They're putting on all this stuff. They're saying, yeah, you know, go trade stocks. You're going to go do this. You could learn. You could teach yourself, educate yourself. You can even get into the financial industry on any level. They're going to say, but I'm too broke to do this. I came from this background, you know, let's keep it real, right? Keeping it real. I never had an opportunity like this. I'm never going to get one. I mean, sure. I guess, you know, if you really believe it, that's the thing. I heard this the other day and I thought it was crazy, you know, whatever you defend, you're going to get, you know, and that's the thing. Some of you guys are putting that on and defending that attitude, defending whatever it may be to keep you stuck in that position. You defend it more than anything. I have to fight some of you more to get what you want, what you're fighting the other way. But, you know, this is where I'm trying to tell you guys. Because guess what? At the end of the day, everything's hard, right? You know, doing anything, becoming successful, getting anything done, it's hard and it's not always going to be easy. So that's why keeping it real, you know, you got to be careful how you keep it real with yourself. And honestly, keep it just like that talk I had. The devil, you know, having faith is not the devil, but the devil is very realistic. And the devil would like to use keeping it real against you. And you guys, I'm not speaking anything religious. Go watch my video on the devil. That's the enemy. You know, again, put on your game face. It's like the tribal warriors. We're a cult, you guys. You know what I'm saying? Put that on. And what I'm telling you is it's difficult. It really is. But you guys should put on your game face. You need to put on positivity. You need to put on hard work. You need to put on determination. That's something you got to wear, and it's hard to do. And it's not like, you know, I get it, but ask yourself this, like, I don't want to be, you know, I don't want to be positive all the time. Why am I going to smile at somebody and act like I like doing something when I don't like it? You know, I don't want to talk to, you know, and I agree with that. I feel it, but think about this. You know, somebody walks up to you, you guys are at a restaurant and you're ordering something and the waiter's just like, screw you, get water. He's like, get it yourself. You're gonna not like that person. You're not gonna tip them, and guess what? That person's not gonna get a job. The person who walks in their boss, well, I don't want to do it. Well, if you don't want to do it, don't come to work. You know, it's simple as that. Like, that's the ironic part about all of it is, like, we don't like people. You don't like it when people keep it real with you, but you want to keep it real all the time. So, you know, and hopefully you get the concept here, guys. I'm not telling y'all be fake. I'm not telling y'all to be anything you're not. However, when it comes to your attitude, you know, and keeping it real in that attitude, yeah, it's easy to keep it real and do this, but all that, at the end of the day, it's gonna hurt you, you know? I don't want to. You think I want to wake up every morning? You know, keeping it real, do I have to wake up every morning? No. I could go sleep all day. My car is paid for. My house is paid for. I got long-term investments working for me. Keeping it, if I wanted to keep it real, why would I share any information with anybody, you know? Because that's the problem. But I have a goal. You guys go watch the video I made last week, you know, why I want to help people with financial education. And it's sad because it's a mess, you know. You know, there's people talking when, you know, depending on the type of family they come from, you know, everybody has all these reasons with it, and it doesn't matter, you know. I want to do this, but if I wanted to change the financial education world, if I want to help people out, it's going to be hard. Keeping it real, there's so many people uneducated. People are never going to listen to me. People are going to think it's a scam no matter what, even if I don't sell anything, even if I don't ask for anything. You know, people are going to steal from me. They're going to hurt me. You know, there's so many things that I could put that on instead. And guess what? I have before. Go look at my videos. Go look at my attitude. You guys, shout out all the people who've been following for years. You've seen the shift. You've seen the attitude change. I love it. You guys following. You're watching my journey as well. And I love seeing some of you guys. I love seeing the kids who follow me since 16 and now they're 19 and 20, and then some of the people recently. But you know, keeping it real, really, you know, there's few and far between times it's going to help you. But when it comes to your positivity, your drive, your determination, don't let that kill it. Don't let it kill your dreams and think, you know, what are you defending for? You know, keeping it real, you're just defending being broke. You're just going to defend staying in the situation you're going to be in, because everything, like I say, the very militaristic, the devil, everything's a fight, you guys. For real, you got to be fighting. You know, you want something, just because you want it doesn't mean it's just going to happen to you. You know, you got to fight for it. You got to really, really fight for it. You want to be the general. You want to be in the top position. You need to learn to acquire those skills, and it takes fighting, endurance. You know, you want a nice body, you're going to have to lift. It's going to be a fight. What the heck was that? That was trippy. But there's going to be a lot of stuff you guys are going to fight for, and that's part of it. But the biggest fight, honestly, starts in your head. And a lot of you guys with your attitude, I'm not saying your real reasons. You have real reasons to stop you. Those reasons are real. But it's on you to believe something else. It's on you to change your attitude, and despite what you have, it will work. Because anybody who has been successful, extremely successful, it's usually they come from shitty situations, and even good people come from good situations, and they keep it real with themselves, and they can't even acquire what they want or make a change. You know, there's so many things to go after and shoot after, but at the end of the day, man, I don't want to see you guys get caught up in this mentality of trying to keep it real all the time, or you know, looking at the facts. And you know, if you want to be another statistic, go ahead, because statistics are there, and something, you know, they're true. I like statistics, for real. But you know, and that's the weird part about me, you guys. You know, I got 2 degrees in philosophy, or I got a degree in political science and philosophy, but I believe in God, and you know, I view things in such, you guys know how logical I am. I know how, you know, Black-Scholes model works, out of the money options, the statistics. I'll sell premium, you know, but at the same time, I'll go buy a 1% out of the money option. You guys gotta, you know, it's finding that balance. Yeah, there's stuff that's gonna be real, but you know, statistics and keeping it real. But I refuse to listen to it in that sense. And that's what I'm saying. I'm not telling you guys refuse to listen to anybody, you know, and do something negative, right? I'm saying refuse to listen to anybody to be positive. So do that. I'm showing way too much leg there. Sorry, guys. But that's my message for you guys. I have a lot of philosophy videos. I have them recorded. I haven't dropped them yet, and I just recorded this one because I'm feeling it, you know, and I'm really feeling, you know, this is game time, and this is people, and I saw it even on Friday, some people after losses, after wins, keep the game face on at all times. I don't care whether you're losing, winning. You guys know the attitude. You need to be successful. You need to control your ego. You need to do all that stuff, and you know, don't always try to keep it real. You know, again, keeping it real will keep you in the same position. I want you guys to elevate. I want you to go to the next level, and it's going to be tough. That's what I'm saying. If you are a negative person, you're an angry person, if you're a doubtful person, see how hard it is and see the struggle you're going to have to do to fight for the opposite. But try it. You'll get in something. I'll make a video. Do you guys want? Because that reminds me. I was trying to get, like, say I need to straighten my posture out. I got a posture corrector. That thing's a fight. I got some of that. Someone recommended me that Flexi bar. I'll make some videos on it. There's some. I got a knee thing on right now, man. I'm old, man. I'm looking like an NBA Live character. I hit 26, man, trading all day. Just trading since 14, hitting 26, man. I'm deteriorating like 20 years faster. It's great, but take care of your health, guys. All that. I love y'all. Hopefully you like this. Drop a thumbs up. If you guys want the philosophy videos, subscribe to the channel. I love y'all. Peace.